So you got the file downloaded. Now that it's downloaded, you're going to go over here to open on the left-hand side and open the file. Now that we have the file open, we're ready to begin. The first thing we're going to do is look for a tool called the Move tool. The first thing we're going to do is look for the Move tool. I'm going to tear off my tools and bring my tools here. The Move tool is the 8th tool. So right where we left off with red eye, we're going to go click and we're going to hold down the Option key and rotate that tool until it becomes the Move tool, which is 2 lines going like this, like an X, with 2 arrows at the ends. And when you hover over it, you'll see it says Content Aware Move Tool. Great. Now that we've got the tool located, the next thing we want to do is we want to trace the duck, but we want to leave dirt and grass in between the tracing and the duck. So lots of space. There we go. Now we're going to click in the middle, right on the chest of the duck, and just move the duck above the rest of the ducks and let go. Then what we're going to do is we are going to go up to the top menu, and where it says structure, we're going to highlight and type in 3. Where it says color, we're going to type in 5. If you don't like the way these numbers look, you can always adjust them accordingly. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that again. Just to review, I'm going to trace my duck with lots of space between the duck and my tracing. I'm going to move it above the other ducks. I'm going to let go. Right above my canvas is a check mark to show that I'm going to commit to this change. Click Commit Transform. And then in your option menu above, where it says structure, you're going to type in 3, and where it says color, you're going to type in 5. That's it. That was the whole assignment. You took something and moved it in the photograph, and it didn't create a big gapping hole or missing pixels. That's because the software is so smart, it's aware of the group of pixels that look similar in the photograph and it patches it there. Again, this is called the Content Aware Move tool. You might find it useful for some other things along the way too. Hollywood uses it in CGI and different computer generated effects in movies, and we're using it here on a photograph. I hope you found this useful. Finally, let's go up to File. Let's go to Save As. We're only going to change a little bit of the title, so let's just take off the end and put our last name. At the beginning where it says ducks, let's leave that. Just take off the number 05. Where? You choose where you want to save it. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Format, JPEG. Finally, save. The next box, okay. That's it. You're done. Let's go open Google Classroom, find the file from the directory wherever we saved it, attach it, mark it as done.